Florida Kona is the most challenging weather that we have probably anywhere in the Ironman series in the U.S. You got to deal with the weather and the wind, and you got Energy Lab too. You got that Sufferfest 6 miles where it's just straight out and back. At that point, if you haven't held anything in the gas tank, you're toast.
This was one of my first ever races that I did as a professional in the US. I've come back twice now and it's just got better and better, and to get a win here actually means a lot.
When I come here and race, all I have to worry about is racing. I don't have to worry about, are you going to take care of me safety-wise out on the course? Are you going to have food? Are you going to have a nice reward ceremony afterward? I don't have to worry about any of that.
It's one of those iconic races where everybody wants to get to and do Buffalo Springs at least once.
It's just a really honest course, you know, there's no group tactics, it's a tough race, but it's fair, and I always love those sort of events. And I think it's the local community, you know, we get wonderful support in terms of people to stay with, in terms of the crowd out there, the volunteers handing out the drinks, and that's what really makes an event. Almost always I prefer the smaller town events rather than the big city events. Lubbock does a brilliant job of making this race stand apart.
I love the atmosphere. I think the volunteers and all the spectators did a great job cheering. Everyone's really pleasant and nice here.
Of everything we've raced in the Ironman series, this race has a real family feel, and it starts top with the race directors. They're awesome.
The whole secret to our success is not us, it's we. And it's the city, and it's the citizens of the city. And all together, it always equals success.
I didn't really think I was going to finish. All of a sudden, like around 5.5, 6 miles, it just like clicked again, and I was able to finish strong.
You know, you don't always love it in the moment. I mean, even then I was thinking, man, why am I doing this? But it's one of those races you look back on and you're just proud to get through it.
I would definitely come back. I feel like this course ate me, chewed me up, and spit me back out. I would definitely want a second run at this course.
I think the harder it is, the more satisfying it is.
If you want to challenge yourself and see what the toughest race in the U.S. is, you come here and you tackle this course, period.